It's just been raining non-stop. Come on, Delilah. Let's go. Come on. The backyard is getting flooded. The goats hate this weather. They really do. The goats really hate this weather because goats don't like to be wet. And Burr is just itching to get in that backyard, but I just don't want him back there right now with all this rain, and he'll go in that barn since the goats are in the barn, and they'll be aggravated. And at the new homestead, I think what we'll do is, well, I don't think, I know what we'll do is we'll have a separate house area for him so that when it's raining he can go into his own house. And we should have done that a long time ago, but this is Texas and it's not like we get all that much rain, but apparently nowadays we do. So okay, come on, bud. Where are you going? She's going in circles. Sorry. All right, come on. Yeah, look, it's just everywhere. Puddles, puddles, puddles. Hey. Oh, sorry about that. Got a little rambunctious there, the guy. Come on. She's already feeling humiliated because she's got on a raincoat, Burr. And then you're going to mess with her. You're such a knucklehead. Come on, let's go. Look at all that. It is just flooding, flooding, flooding. But if you look, the forsythia are blooming. So are the weeds. Oh. Hey, silly.